Hello, Mr. Pacheco. It's Jeff again here at Woody's, and I have a video for you today. It'd be a little easier for you to watch, maybe. So, right in this area here is where the big gaping hole was that was split and busted in half. And as you can see, with the help from that wooden dowel all the way through there, and the new plank that I've put on, we've made that problem go away. I'm hoping you can see this good here. And on this higher dowel that we did, this one was below the water line, so I was able to just sand it flush and go ahead and get some bottom paint on that. But above that line, and you can see there's where the other big hole was, and we've got your stem nice and flush there where there was a step in it before, and everything tied in good and tight. And a nice place to be pulled up for your trim screws and whatnot. And we've got some guys up front that are far supersede me in how to stain that and get that. I'm sure it's going to need a finer sanding and a little stain and varnish and make all that just blend right in. And they're just as good at that as what I am of putting this plank on, but this is more my stuff here is the woodwork. So, and I just wanted to show you that we had made some of that. We had some loading rash, dock rash or something. It was fuzzed up down through here, so I trimmed that off and epoxied it and gave it a good sanding and got it looking a whole lot better. So we have no more big holes in the front of the boat. We're down to having this bottom done here at what I've had to go ahead to do. Like I say, we've got some guys up front that are going to take care of this varnish work and stain work. One thing that I did notice, and I hope I can get my phone to do what, yep, right there. If you look just right, you can see that two-piece stem has detached a little bit, and you can actually see through it every now and then, there and there. But it's no big deal. And what we might want to do is flake away some of this filler. And I won't do that until I have the authority to do so, which I haven't been given yet. But I'm hoping that you will want to let me flake some of that old filler out of there, and then I'll pull these bungs here, a couple of them, and just either tighten the screws that are in there now, or maybe even replace those to get this pulled up where we don't have a crack here in this two-piece stem. We really don't want to see through that like that. So having said that, I think this update video is pretty much done, and I want to thank you, sir.